Hey guys, come with me to Dublin Ireland. So I live in the UK, and to go to Ireland I needed a visa, and I've done a video showing how to get a visa to Ireland. So this is me packing, and I love to be organized when I'm packing just so that my journey is smoother. And my flight was early in the morning, so I had packed up a day before. My bag is ready to go. Yes. This trip was about 5 days, so I needed to go with a medium-sized bag, and I'm done packing. And then I headed to the airport the following day in the morning. I was using the coach service, so I had booked a National Express that was 30 minutes ride to Heathrow Airport. So this is me at Heathrow Airport. I always arrive early because I don't want any stress at the airport, waiting for my flight and then queuing up to get into the airplane. And yes, we are already on our way to Dublin. We got to Dublin. I used an Uber to head to my destination. I just came out of the airport and I requested a ride. This is where my friend stays. She's a big girl. Look at this place. It's so nice. It's really nice. Yeah. Look at me. I'm here. Dublin is so fine. It's so green actually. Look at that sun. So because I landed in the morning, I went straight to my friend's place to unpack and rest a bit, and then I came out to the city center because I needed to tour the city. And you know how it is when you just travel and arrive at your destination, you have so much energy. So I didn't want to waste that energy. So this was around 11 a.m. I was out here. This is Colonel Station. I was out here just ensuring that I toured this city. I love their taxis.
That's me.
See my guys. Hello. We're at Dublin Business School. See Ibrahim. You be.
Yeah, man, what's up?
So yes, I'm actually coming to school, business school, MBA loading. This is Dublin Town Centre. This is the City Mall, Dublin City Mall. It's big from the beginning of this all the way down, all the way like this. Yeah.
It's giving you real-time updates.
Do you want to check your results on camera? Do you have See my guys, NGF Connect. NGF Connect in Dublin. The sun is out today, so literally it's a good weather. Look at my friend, they have held him down, held him back.
This
camera is actually fine.
This video is going to
a YouTube channel.
It's YouTube. Anybody that wants to see should come to my YouTube. Yes, it's privileged.
If you are looking for advice to come to school in Ireland, I'll open a YouTube channel.
You people will do videos.
Give us the sit-down section, Abby.
You do a sit-down video with me, Abby. Tell us about
Both of
because
us
you have studied.
Tell her. She doesn't know. Tell her.
Consultants.
It's just per hour. It's just like, is it 26 or 34?
Hey, wait.
We just do 30 because it's hard.
Wait now.
Just people all the way down.
A lot of people.
I curse all foreign money, no credit, good again. Which will be hard with longing for the release of my
You know that you studied in the UK and you studied in Dublin Ireland now. So I want us to do like comparison, sit down. You don't have a choice.
Ireland just bundle me. Ship me back to Nigeria.
Lie.
Because
It's
of
not
course
going
I'll
to
say
be-
UK was easy. More than Ireland.
No, and that would also depend on what you're doing an MBA now.
I was doing an MSc. I'm talking about. You're not going to talking about in terms of application. Or
Everything, like everything, your experience based on your experience.
Masters is masters, but the MBA and MSc is no difference. Just the MSc is more technical. Masters, MBA is more research based.
Yeah.
Practical,
MS is practical. MS is
MBA
is practical, technical, practical.
Yeah, but I thought MBA is like field work, like.
MBA, that was a research based, which field work. But it's research, man. Your field work is done online.
But the research is like industry research, like.
Yeah.
How do I, like.
The last.
Because you're
you
literally going
to do research, but you don't go to them.
Yeah, you don't go.
Even
to
your dissertation, you can't even do about organization, stuff like this. You can't research on ethical consideration. So you can't research on.
It's not compatriot.
No, but like he was being honest, like it's just two pages basically that you just go inside and.
It's worth it. At least you want to say that you had the experience.
Nah.
That's the guy who does not know how to do business. I like these trams. Luas, right?
Yeah.
That's what you guys call it. Luas.
Isn't Louis or Louis?
Wait, when are you doing video with me, Jared? When next time I see you? I'm here till Sunday.
I'm here every day till Friday.
Oh, I was telling you that you have 4 days new.
I'm here
Yeah, an undergrad student. You come to school every day? When I was in the UK doing my masters, I didn't used to come to school every day. Like, why? I
Yeah,
only go to school
like first
5
semester it was like 3 times a week.
Yeah.
But this semester it's 4 times. But it's 1 class every day.
Oh no. I used to have like 4 classes in one day. So
That's
it was
how it should
compressed
be.
like
Yeah.
2 to 3 days. But yeah, it's okay.
But they decided to screw us over.
Ibrahim has promised us a video. If you don't see that video, hold him. Fish, I did this video because of you. Fish and Naomi. Live in that place. Should I go in there? Should I go in there? Maybe when I come back. Oh yeah, be coming. What are you doing?
Someone else, slow.
The Prince of Dublin.
What are you doing? You're doing slow-mo.
Are you snapping?
No, I'm taking a video.
What's up, man?
Ibrahim really tried for me. If you see the way he took me to Trinity College Dublin, he walked down.
Trinity College.
Yes. Look at my boys.
Nice. You never change, have you?
So how's business school like? Are you doing an MBA? In
Finance.
your own is the only MBA I can do is in entrepreneurship.
That would be general.
If I
But
want.
then you end up doing boots.
I'll pick courses from here, pick courses from here. See anything management that is not related to law, forget about it.
No, stick to your lot.
Let me stick to my profession. My head cannot carry that one. Anyways, it's the same class you are
Just each class usually have 2 sections.
Oh, so you pick
After doing it, don't pick that, assign it to one.
Oh, they assign.
That means we're not in any class now. This section was always different from one section, but the same course.
Oh,
This semester we're just lucky to be in one class.
So you're done for the day.
So yes, we went through touring the city as much as we could. I really enjoyed it. The weather was fine, and there were lots of people in the city center, which was fun as well.
Love it. Where is it? Grafton up there. Okay. Oh, nice. I love summer so much. Like everyone is just happy.
No, but actually, to be honest, yeah, the Irish are actually nice.
Nice, right?
Yeah.
I noticed. It was so nice at the airport. I didn't even waste time. And then the cab guy was so nice. Experiences.
Wow, this is nice.
Ah.
The museum is closed.
The museum.
Yeah, the museum is closed. There's this library. I think they call, which has this.
So of course we took pictures with my friends, and then when we're done we entered this popular temple bar because it was one of the things on my bucket list. So the bar is very good vibes, so I stayed here to catch a little breath because I had toured around the city. By this time it was around 3 p.m. and I had toured around the city. I was tired. I waited for my friend to come and meet me and we shared a couple of drinks.
Like, I'm so tired. I have not slept till I only had 3 hours of sleep last night because my flight was very early. So, and then when I got here, I just spent like 2 hours at my friend's place and then I came out. So look at my eyes. My eyes are like, they need sleep. But I don't want to go home yet because if I go home is far from the city center. So if I go home, that's like tomorrow automatically. And I want to try and exhaust as many activities as I can. And I'm also waiting for my friend to finish his class, then do a couple more things. I've just been here resting because I am tired. Like, tired. Look at my face. My eyes are literally swollen and red because I'm not slept.
So this is me continuing my tour of Dublin city centre. I love to tour around the city. What I didn't tell you guys is that I fell down in one of the bridges. I think the drink I had made me a bit tipsy. So I missed a step in this bridge actually. I fell and people held me up. But I couldn't be shy, I couldn't be embarrassed because I'm a tourist. Nobody knows me. That's the advantage of being a tourist. Anyways, I love the views. I walked from here all the way. I toured around the city. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Watch out for part 2. That's my day 2, what I did in Dublin Ireland. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Drop a comment. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Let me know if you enjoyed the vlog and let me know what other videos you would like to see on the channel. Enjoy the remaining clips, okay? I'll catch you in my next video. Bye. Sometimes my camera is just so fine. Sometimes I forget why I bring it out. But you know it's stressful. My camera, it's an expensive something. It's not cheap. Did you see the quality?